I get why you're confused about VA loans because I'm going to show you a live example right now from USAA. Okay. So right here on their website, find your dream home with a VA jumbo loan. VA jumbo loans offer a zero down payment option. That is true, right? You could have no down payment for a home purchase up to 1.5 million. There should be warning signs going off in your head right away. Well, for one, anytime you see these little like footers right here, that there's some fine print, right? So you have to scroll all the way down, and we will. But no down payment for 1.5 million. Well, wait a minute. What does that mean if I'm buying a $2 million home or a $3 million home? Because USAA, I'm not dissing them. I'm just showing them as an example. They are a large player in the veteran space, right? Their name holds a lot of weight. And so let's scroll down and see what they mean by that. Okay, here's our normal rates. Obviously, there's some fine print to this right here. How a jumbo loan, VA jumbo loan works. Jumbo loans are for those looking to finance more than 832,750. They're referencing the 2026 county conforming loan limit and up to $3 million. Wait a minute. I thought the VA doesn't have a loan limit when you have full VA entitlement, which is true. So that is why there's confusion here. So right here, USA is saying up to $3 million, implying that if you go, you cannot go over $3 million on a VA loan. And so let's scroll down a little bit more. When you go down into the fine print, let's scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Where's those footers? Where right here, okay? And I'm gonna zoom in. A down payment will be required if the purchase price exceeds $1.5 million. That is not true from a VA's perspective. Now, this is the individual lender. This is USAA saying, hey, if you go over 1.5 million on a VA loan, we're going to require a down payment, right? Their second part of this, if previous entitlement was used, a down payment may be required. Yes, they're absolutely right. That's talking about bonus entitlement. But if you have full VA entitlement, you do not have to make a down payment. It is up to the individual lender, the one that's actually lending you the money, like myself. I'm a veteran. I am a lender, and I can tell you, I have done 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, $5 million VA loans without making down payments if you have full VA entitlement. Now, obviously, you got to qualify. You have to go through the normal qualification and qualify for the loan amount. But if you can, if your debt to income and your VA residual income ratios support that loan amount, then you can absolutely do it. And my company does it. I work at CrossCountry Mortgage. My company does that. So don't take what a lender says online, especially one as big as USAA, and think that is the gospel. That is how confusion starts, especially when my clients are making offers on luxury properties and the listing agent is like, you can't do this. You can't do a $2 million VA loan. You can't do a $3 million, $4 million, because they've probably read something like this online and think that, well, if it's coming from this company, it's the truth. No, it's not. So I wanted to make a quick video and put this out there. If you have any questions, especially at the seven-figure VA loan mark, reach out to your guy right here. Thanks.